Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis. In this video I am going to be doing a look with the ColourPop Cinderella collection. I haven't actually seen, I think I've seen one review of this collection, so I was really excited to get my hands on it, but I was a little late in getting there. So I ended up getting about 2/3 of the collection. I got the two ultra glossy lips and Boo and Bibbidi. I got the Cinderella lipstick, and then I got the full palette. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing my little review slash first impressions of this collection, then keep watching. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put on my foundation and concealer and powder because once you've seen it 100 times, you've seen it, you know, once you've seen it 100 times, that's the end of the saying. I did want to come back on camera because I finally purchased the P.Louise eyeshadow base that you hear like everybody raving about. So I actually got some. I got it in two different colors. I got it in, this one is 0.5. and the other one I got is in 0, I think. Yeah, so I got the white one, and then I got the slightly skin toned one because the one that I was actually keen on getting was sold out. So I was like, better get, you know, one rather than none. So I'm going to put this on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to put it on as my eyeshadow base. So yeah, I know it's not MAC. Shock horror, but yeah, really I've seen like everybody, like Nikki tutorials, and I think Toddy Westbrook has done it, so I'm really keen to give it a shot if I can find the right freaking brush to do it with. I guess I'll just use my Eco Tools concealer brush. Now this one has like a slight tinge to it, and it is slightly pink, but that's okay, because it's just going to be a base. So I'm going to put it on with the brush, and then I will pat it out with my finger per my normal routine. So I don't want to change the way that I like actually use this product because as you guys know, my tried and true, my holy grail is my Pro Longwear paint pot from MAC. And so I just want to give this a shot and see how it works. So I've got it applied, so now I'm just going to tap it out with my finger, kind of smooth it and tapping at the same time because I don't want streaky bits. Now obviously this eyeshadow base is quite light and is nowhere near the color of my skin tone or my paint pot, but that's okay. We are literally about to cover it up with some eyeshadow. So first and foremost, it's not sticky. It doesn't feel like my eyelids are sticking together. It's basically, it's still sticky so that the eyeshadow sticks to it, but it's not uncomfortable on the eye. So I'm just gonna wipe that off, the excess off of the back of my hand, and bring in my mirror just a little bit closer, just so I can see a bit better. But yeah, that looks pretty good so far. It's not doing the job that my paint pot normally does, which is to kind of cancel out my discoloration on my eyelids, but I think it's okay so far. Alright, so if you have not seen it, this is the unit carton for the Disney collection, and it's got all the signatures on it, and this is what the palette looks like, and there is the inside of the palette. Very light, nice colors, and a couple of darker colors, obviously. There is a nice mix of shimmers and metallics, and also matte shades. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my ColourPop. I don't even know what eye look I'm going to do today, but the majority of these colors are like purple and pink based, so obviously I'm going to have to go with a purple slash pink based look. So I'm going to first go into this color right here, which is a Poo. It's a nice pinky brown color, almost like a terracotta. And I'm just going to dust this Now, I like ColourPop shadows. I like ColourPop products for the most part. Not a fan of the foundation or the translucent powder, but that's just a personal preference. That's no shade against the actual company. I think the company as a whole is pretty cool. So yeah. Now this color has gone on a little more orangey. I mean, I suppose, like I said, it is a terracotta type color, but I was expecting it, once it was on the skin, to go a little more pink, but it has shifted to a little more orange, which is not a huge deal. I can work with it. But thus far, they're going on really well. They're not patchy, they're not skipping, none of that, you know, nasty business. So the next color I'm going to go in with is, I think, oof, these are so pretty. I can't even get over it. I think I'm going to go in with the color Enchanted Rose, which is this really, really pretty color here down in the corner. And I'm just going to start building that in my crease. Now, I heard from someone recently that you're not supposed to wear shimmers in your crease. And I'm like, well, who made that rule up? And why didn't they tell me? Because that's kind of how I do my thing. But, you know, whatevs. I think makeup is very subjective. And I think you do whatever makes you feel comfortable and whatever makes you feel beautiful, especially that. So if you want to use, you know, bright blue eyeshadow like they did in the 80s and bring it all the way up to your brow bone, if you feel pretty, you do it. So this color is fucking awesome. It's got this really cool dual chrome shift to it. I am really digging this color. I'll see if I can bring you in a little bit closer so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Nope, you're not going to be able to see it. But it's doing this really pretty, like, pinky gold shift to it. And holy shit, I am living for that. Alright, so the next color I'm going to go in with on a different brush. I'm going to take, I really want to go in with this color here, Fairy Godmother. It is super duper pretty. So you can see there in the pan. That one right there. It is a very pretty baby pink kind of color. I'm just going to shift my... dusting that all over the lid. That's a really pretty color, actually. It's a really pretty color. I really like that a lot. It's very soft. It is a baby pink kind of color. And it went on really well. I think I screwed up and didn't get the eyeshadow base into my lash line. So it's not quite laying there. But overall looks really pretty. I mean, you can see it for yourself. So now what I'm going to do is on the inner corner, I'm going to take... oof, this one's hard. I think I'm going to take Thingamabob, which is this color here, and I'm just going to put that on the inner corner of, whoop, far out, Brussels sprout. I'm just going to put that on the inner corner of my eye. Now this is a super bright silver. I don't know how well it's going to pair with this eye look, but we're going for it. We are going there. Whoa, that is so reflective. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Holy samosas. That's insanity. I've never used a shadow like this from ColourPop, but wow, is that reflective. Oof. That is not quite what I was going for, but is really pretty nonetheless. Alright, so now I kind of want to deepen up. I need to even this out. It's much more shiny on my right eye. There we go. Oh, shit. Wow. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I am going to take the color don't know. I think I'm going to go with Midnight Curfew, this black here. It's a very shimmery black. And I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is the E9 from ColourPop. It's a smaller floofy-ended brush. There we go. And I'm just going to take that because I want to deepen my crease a bit. Just going to take that. And I'm not dragging it all the way across. And I'm doing this with a very light amount of product because I don't want the black to overrule the pink. I think I might actually leave my house today after I've done this makeup look. I kind of feel like having a flavored coffee. My peppermint mocha. I'm such a fan of that. Coffee Guru is a little chain of oh my god, I just messed that up. Is a chain of coffee shops similar to Starbucks, but they are the only brand, I guess you could call it brand or chain or whatever, that sells peppermint syrup. And I have loved peppermint mochas for years and years and years. Just checking to make sure my eyes are matchy. I have loved peppermint mochas for as long as I can remember. Chocolate and peppermint together is like one of my all-time favorite things. There's these biscuits here called mint slices. And they're these beautiful chocolate biscuits. And then it's got like a strip of mint, like cream or something like that, and then it's just all encompassed or all encased in chocolate, and it's so freaking good. I definitely limit myself on how many of those I can eat, but I definitely can eat the entire packet in one sitting. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these colors along the bottom lash line. I don't really feel like I need to do too terribly much. I'm just going to take Enchanted Rose straight to the bottom. I'm not going to do anything really extravagant with the lower lash line. I think I'm going to line my eyes with brown eyeshadow. And I'm kind of debating taking a little bit of the eyeshadow on the top of my lash line as well, but I don't really think I need to. I don't really feel like I need to put any eyeshadow or any eyeliner on to begin with, but I am. So the color that I'm going to go with, where is it? It's one of my Stila ones. There it is. Alright, this is from Stila. This is the Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in the color Spice. And I'm just going to find a smaller mirror. Ugh. And I'm going to line my waterline. Alright, so that's my eyes lined. I did have to kind of take it into my lash line a little bit because I actually kind of smeared it there a little bit. Anyway, I'm going to finish off the rest of my face, so I'm going to be using my Nars Climax mascara, and then we'll get into the lip stuff. Alright guys, so I quickly did the rest of my face off camera. I used the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Liquid Frost Highlighter, and fuck, it's beautiful. I live. I bronzed my face, I blushed my face. Now we're gonna move on to lips. So I am using the Maybelline Color Sensational Precision Lip Liner, Precision Lip Liner in the color Nude. So I'm just going to line my lips. Nothing new to see here. My lips are such a weird shape. I kind of hate them, but not like hate them. Alright, so this is random. This is the, oh my god, this is heavy. Very heavy. This is what the packaging looks like for the Cinderella. So this is the color Cinderella. I'm going to swatch it on the back. Ooh. Ooh. This is so pretty. Oh, yes. Alright. I am pretty sure this is the first ColourPop lipstick that I have ever used. And boy, is it creamy. Wow, it's coming off really pink on camera. It is not that pink in In person, it is not that pink, but I love it. Oh my god. Super duper creamy, very nice consistency. I really like this. Alright, so the first ultra glossy lip we've got is the color Boo, which is this one here. And I'm going to swatch this on the back of my hand for you. So I think that these are just glosses. Yeah, they're just slightly tinted glosses. So this is what Boo looks like. It's pulling more orange on camera. And then the next color is Bibbidi. And it looks like this here. So it's just a straight glossy lip. So I think I'm going to pair Bibbidi on my lips, but oh, it's just clear, like, but there is some really pretty sparkle to it. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Yeah, there we go. So it's got this really pretty color to it. Not color, sparkle to it. So I'm going to use this today. I love how putting on like a clear gloss can just like change the dimension of a look. I really wish I could talk properly. All right. Ooh, that's nice. It's thick, but not like sticky and yucky feeling. This feels really nice on the lips. And yeah, that's it. I don't have anything else to show from this collection. Overall thoughts from first impression on the eyeshadow palette, absolutely love it. First impression on the lip, absolutely love it. First impression on the one gloss, beautiful. I do actually feel like you could get away if you're trying to do kind of just a no makeup look. You could get away with using Boo as just your lippy. But other than that, I don't really have anything negative to say about the products that I did get from the collection. Like I said, I got about 2/3 of it. There were a few things, like I think there was a lip kit that was like the other 2 lipsticks, the other lip gloss, and I can't remember what else there was, but I know I missed out, I think, on something else. But from what I've got, from what I've used, very happy with this collection. Love the palette, and I can't wait to do more looks with it. It's really pretty. You do get a total of 15 shadows in here, so I'm gonna read from the top. You've got Chip, Juju, Grumpy, Trident, Abu, then Thingamabob, oh no, sorry, Prince Charming, One Kiss, Fairy Godmother, Ray, Prince Charming, then Enchanted Rose, Beast, Magic Carpet, Poison Apple, and Enchanted Rose. So, oh no, I read that wrong, my bad. Hang on a second, I'm starting over that bottom row. Enchanted Rose, Poison Apple, Magic Carpet, Beast, and then Midnight Curfew. So, yeah, 15 shadows. I think the palette was like $20 or something like that, between $20 and $30. Very happy, super excited I was able to get my hands on it, and I definitely see this being one of my future favorites. I mean, as you can see, the eye look came out, it was super simple, super fast, can't complain. So I guess that's it. I don't really have anything else to say. I feel like this video is going to be super short, but I don't want to sit here and ramble. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!